Welcome to She Lives Rich, the space where elegance becomes effortless, confidence is cultivated, and wealth begins with how you carry yourself. There's a growing movement. You can feel it. A quiet shift away from loud fashion and fast trends and towards something timeless, something slower, more intentional, more expensive, but not expensive in the way we're used to. Not logo-covered or diamond-drenched. Expensive in presence, in taste, in control. It's called quiet luxury, and it's not a trend. It's a philosophy, one that rich women, old money families, and high-value women have lived by for decades. Quiet luxury doesn't scream for attention. It owns the room without a sound. And the women who live this way, they don't just look rich. They look refined, protected, rare. If you've ever wondered how to embody this subtle elegance, not just in your clothes but in your lifestyle, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 11 rules to look like old money every single day. Rules that are subtle, powerful, and surprisingly attainable no matter your income. Because quiet luxury isn't about being born into wealth. It's about choosing a higher standard, one soft decision at a time. Let's begin. Rule 1. Wear clothing that fits impeccably. Quiet luxury is never oversized, never tight, never sloppy. The old money woman doesn't chase fashion. She builds a wardrobe of pieces that fit her body, not a mannequin. Her shirts glide over the shoulders. Her trousers fall just right. Her coats wrap softly, never bulging, never bunching. The tailoring is invisible but essential. She may wear the same black blazer for a decade, but you'd never know. Because it always looks like it was made for her. She has a tailor, or she learns to hem and adjust things herself. She prioritizes silhouettes that elongate, flatter, and create quiet authority. When her clothes move, they move with her, not against her. When you wear clothes that fit perfectly, you tell the world, I'm measured. I'm composed. I don't need noise to stand tall. Rule 2. Neutrals are your signature. Old money elegance is built on a soft, harmonious color palette. Beige, navy, camel, ivory, charcoal, soft olive, dusty rose. Never neon, never loud prints, never high-contrast graphics. These colors age well, photograph well, and more importantly, they mix effortlessly. When your closet is cohesive, your look becomes magnetic. You don't need bold color to command attention. In fact, it's the restraint, the calm, that makes people take notice. It's the consistency that feels like legacy. Quiet luxury isn't about being noticed in a crowd. It's about being unforgettable in a calm, curated way. Rule 3. Own fewer pieces, but better ones. Old money doesn't mean a closet stuffed with designer items. It means having exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. It means one trench coat that lasts 15 years, one silk blouse that pairs with everything, one beautiful watch, one structured leather bag that tells a story without a logo. A woman of quiet luxury repeats her wardrobe often. She's not afraid to be seen in the same look. Because when your pieces are timeless, they don't get old, they get iconic. The quiet luxury woman doesn't dress for occasion. She dresses for herself. And her wardrobe supports her identity, not her performance. Rule 4. Learn to speak like old money. This might be the most powerful form of quiet luxury, and the least discussed. An elegant woman doesn't yell across a room. She doesn't talk to fill silence. She speaks slowly. She pauses before she answers. She listens fully. And when she speaks, people lean in. Her words are chosen, not thrown. She doesn't chase relatability. She offers warmth. She avoids gossip, vulgarity, or dramatics. Her voice carries clarity. Her silence carries weight. You don't need a new wardrobe to begin leveling up. Sometimes it starts with your next sentence, with your tone, with how softly and intentionally you speak. Your voice is your wardrobe for the mind. Dress it accordingly. Rule 5. Your grooming should be invisible, but perfect. Quiet luxury isn't about glam. It's about polish. Skin is clean and hydrated. Nails are short, neutral, and flawless. Hair is brushed, styled simply, often with a center part or elegant bun. Makeup is minimal, barely there. A soft cheek, brushed brows, clear eyes, and lips that look like your own, only better. Her skincare is consistent, not chaotic. Her makeup enhances her, not transforms her. She doesn't look different every week. She looks consistent, cared for, real. There's no contouring, no false lashes, no glitter. The goal isn't to look done. It's to look cared for. This is how rich women signal status without ever touching a label. Rule 6. Smell expensive, softly. The most unforgettable women carry a scent that doesn't overpower, but lingers like a memory. Think soft musk, white florals, sandalwood, neroli, or amber. The fragrance is often signature, worn consistently, so it becomes part of your identity. She doesn't change perfumes weekly. She wears one scent like a second skin. Old money women understand that scent is part of your presence. It becomes part of your story. People associate your aroma with your warmth, your voice, your hugs, your rooms. And remember, a luxurious scent should never arrive before you do. It should be something people notice when they hug you, not when you walk in the door. Rule 7. Quiet luxury is clutter-free. Not just in your outfit, but in your energy, your home, your presence. An old money woman doesn't carry 5 bags, 12 accessories, and a phone in each hand. Her handbag is structured, medium-sized, and organized. Her desk is tidy. Her car is clean. Her voice doesn't race. Her schedule isn't frantic. She doesn't collect. She curates. Her home is calming, not overdone. Her desktop isn't filled with tabs. Her inbox isn't flooded. And her calendar, though full, has space to breathe. Luxury is space. Room to breathe. To think. To move without urgency. When your life feels too full, remove. Don't add. Edit. Curate. Eliminate. The fewer things you have, the more power each one holds. Rule 8. Live below your means, but look like you don't. This is the cornerstone of the old money aesthetic. You'll never see a quiet luxury woman show off her wealth. She doesn't post price tags. She doesn't mention designer names. She doesn't flex her success. She simply is. She spends wisely. She invests in timeless pieces. She shops secondhand. She buys slowly. She rewears. She's more likely to be in a perfectly maintained coat from 10 years ago than something hot off the runway. She may have a beautiful home, but it's not loud. She may drive a luxury car, but it's not wrapped in neon. Because real wealth doesn't crave attention. It craves longevity. Rule 9. Walk slowly. Eat slowly. Speak slowly. Move with intention. This might sound overly simple, but it's a core principle of elegance. Movement tells the story before the outfit does. She doesn't rush through meals. She doesn't race to reply. She walks at a pace that suggests ownership of her time. Because she owns herself. Slowness is power. It tells others that you are not panicked, that you are not running from or to anything, that you are grounded, fully here, fully enough. Try it. Today, as you walk, slow your pace. Stand taller. Breathe deeper. Speak more slowly than usual. And feel how the world reacts. People sense presence, and they respect it. Rule 10. Don't announce your elegance. Embody it. You don't need to say you're leveling up. You don't need to explain your transformation. You don't need to post about being unbothered or healed or elevated. Quiet luxury women allow their presence to tell the story. They live the lifestyle in silence. Their elegance is internal. Their identity doesn't require external validation. They focus on being, not performing. And that's what makes them unforgettable. If someone sees you and says, "She looks different," let them wonder. You don't owe anyone the behind the scenes. You owe yourself the result. Rule 11. Make rituals feel luxurious. You don't need a yacht or a penthouse to live richly. You just need to honor the ordinary. Drink your morning coffee in a real cup. Light a candle as you journal. Fold your clothes slowly. Play classical music as you cook. Open the windows. Wear perfume at home. Use real dishes when you're alone. Read a book in silence. Luxury isn't about what you own. It's about how you treat what you already have. When you elevate your daily rituals, you elevate your identity. Make the mundane feel meaningful. That's where elegance begins. Let's review. Quiet luxury isn't flashy. It isn't fast. It doesn't beg for followers or applause. It's slow, measured, intentional, and full of restraint. To look like old money every day. Wear clothes that fit with precision. Build a wardrobe on neutrals. Own fewer better things. Speak clearly and calmly. Groom with polish and minimalism. Smell soft, consistent, and unforgettable. Keep your space and energy clutter-free. Spend smart. Shop slow. Live beneath your means. Move with softness and certainty. Stop announcing. Start embodying. And make your daily life feel sacred. If you're ready to start living the quiet luxury lifestyle, not just dressing like it, but being it, subscribe to She Lives Rich. Here, we don't chase attention. We cultivate presence. We don't follow trends. We follow standards. Because elegance is never loud, but it's always powerful. Your transformation starts the moment you stop trying to prove and start choosing to be. You're already her.